Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I'll show you how we can use the voice search on this TV. So at the first we have to grab our remote control, and we have to simply go for the left upper corner for that microphone icon and click OK. Next we can sync in with our Google account, but we can also use it without syncing. So that's what I'm going to select. Let's click allow. And let's tap on that icon again. And right now let's try to say something. As you can
Remind me, do what?
As you can see, it recognized my voice. What is the weather today?
Today in Krakow, there'll be showers with a forecasted high of 57 and a low of 53. Right now it's 55 degrees with rain.
Okay, so let's go back, and as you can see, that's how we can use the voice search in this TV. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.